Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add education page into your app. The education page allows your app to get access to dictionary and storehouse of information available on Khan Academy. Now let's see how to add education page. Now add education page into your app. If you want, you can change the page name from here. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library, or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's add information feature from dictionary and Khan Academy. Click on dictionary feature. A dictionary field will open. If you want, you can rename the field and change its icon. You can either select icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. Now click on a Khan Academy feature. A new field, Khan Academy, will open. You can check the preview on the simulation window to know the function of both the features. From here, you can delete the feature. Once done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned for the latest AppyPie tutorials.